Right.
91 to 2001 is 10.
I know.
2001 to 2008.
Yeah, she's usually telling me how old she is.
Is that, if she pulls that out and that thing takes off, she will have that's she gonna put too.
She actually got it.
Oh, she's gonna do it again.
So, especially when I take this thing.
Create your own entertainment. Is that the cat that would lay on Leanne's leg, would lay up there? Leanne had stairs, and then there was a not a handrail, but a
Yeah.
one of those cats would lay straddled.
That was
up there.
Felix. Yeah. You know, most people think that Shasti's a kitten because she's so little, but the vet came over to help us with Calvin. She came and was like, oh, old lady. she's old. She made a big deal out of it.
There's your nipple at Scott.
Pull the string,
He
Charlie.
was pulling it by himself while ago.
They didn't know what he was doing.
No. He ever figures it out.
Oh my god. That was great.
Who would ever think they could open drawers like that?
He likes that string attached.
That lady who came over to help us out with Calvin was so nice.
The vet.
Yeah.
Who was it?
I've never